The CASSIOPEIA trial, now we have a median follow-up of nearly 7 years. So it's an older trial now. I think everybody remember that this trial randomized a patient between, so newly diagnosed myeloma patient between Dara-VTd induction consolidation and VTd induction consolidation. And for those who achieve at least a partial response, there was a second randomization between Dara maintenance up to 2 years or observation. And it was one of the first trial where we assess MRD at many time points, post-induction, post-consolidation, during the maintenance phase, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, and during the follow-up phases, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. So many time points with 2 technologies, flow and NGS, to be able to compare them. So it is one of the first lessons of this trial about MRD. It is that the correlation between the 2 techniques is very good. This is an important message. And then this long follow-up shows that definitively patients who achieved the higher rates of MRD negativity at 10 to the minus 5 and 10 to the minus 6 are patients who receive Dara-VTd in induction consolidation and Dara maintenance. If you receive only Dara at maintenance, it's not so good, and if you receive Dara only in induction consolidation, it's not as good as when you have Dara in the first step and in the second step. So it was an opportunity to see how MRD is indicative, is informative. For instance, we saw that patients who achieved a negative MRD in post-induction have very good PFS, and it shows us how it is important to assess this post-induction MRD time point, and how it is important to optimize this induction treatment in myeloma.